Pakiramdam mo po ba ay ikaw ay nag-iisa? I just want to share this to you. You may feel alone, but God is always with you. He is always thinking about you all the time. Don't give up on God when you are lonely. This will cause you to feel sorry to yourself and become discouraged. But use this alone time to focus on God. You may also be helped by connecting with other people. So getting involved with others will take your focus off to yourself, and you'll feel less alone. Put yourself in the places where you can meet and get to know other people, and soon your life will be full of friendship. Amen. And I want to read to you the Isaiah chapter 41 verse 10. It says, Don't be afraid, for I am with you. Don't be dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you, I will help you, I will uphold you with my victorious right hand. Amen.